this Farthest wins knockout competition. The rules are simple. 2 cars race at the same time, down the ramp, and whichever car goes the farthest goes through to the next round. And our judge today is the Joker. Oh, hold on a second. The Joker's racing.
Yeah, that's my lookalike. He'll make sure I beat Batman.
But he can't be the judge if you're racing.
Oh, but I want to beat Batman. I want to beat you too. Can we race against each other in the first round? Yeah,
we can do that. Alright, lookalike Joker, off you go.
Oh.
Looks like we'll have to be the judges today. Alright everyone, get into your vehicles. Huh, Rascal Funling, your car looks awfully like Wonder Woman's.
Yeah, well, mine's faster.
I guess we'll see if you race Wonder Woman in the first round.
Yeah, okay.
Alright then, let's begin. Patrick versus Spider-Man up first. Oh, it's very close. Looks like Spider-Man edged it, so you're into the next round. McQueen versus Red. Oh, Red's gone off the screen. He definitely beat McQueen, so you go through. Blue versus Ace. Ooh, Blue went really far. Yep, she smashed it. Well done, Blue. King Funling versus Woody. Wow, that's close, but Woody wins it, so you're into the next round. Gecko versus Nemo. Great effort from Nemo. You're definitely into the next round. It's the big one, Batman versus the Joker. Oh, Batman's rolled off the screen. He hasn't gone much farther, but he's definitely ahead, so you go through. Haha, I won! Oh, this is why I wanted my lookalike to be the judge. Hulk versus Duke Kaboom. Ooh, it's close, but Duke is in front, so you're into the next round. And Wonder Woman versus Rascal Funling. Wow, that's close! Looks like Rascal Funling has edged it though. Your car must have been slightly faster.
Yeah! So these are the winners of that round. Who can win again?
Spider-Man versus Red. Red rolled a long way, so you go through. Blue versus Woody. Not sure who wins that. Oh, it's close, but Blue's ahead. Well done, Blue. Nemo versus Batman. Who wins? It's Nemo. He's ahead, so you're into the next round. Haha, you're out, Batman. At least I beat you. Oh. And Duke Kaboom versus Rascal Funling. Rascal Funling's gone far, so you go through.
So these are our semi-finalists. Who will make it to the final?
Red versus Blue. Oh, and again, Red has rolled ahead. Well done, Red, you're into the final. But will Nemo or Rascal Funling join in? Looks like Rascal Funling's gone the farthest, so you're into the final two.
So this is it, the final between Red and Rascal Funling. One race, one winner, but who will it be?
Wow, Red has rolled into the lead again. He's really used his round car to his advantage today, hasn't he?
Sorry, Rascal Funling, but today's winner is Red. Well